Bonnie, happy Monday! I hope everyone is having a really good day. Oh my goodness. I'm going to set my cat here too. I need a decoration here. I am diving right into the Paris collection from Avon. Before I go any further though, I always say this, I am an online Avon rep. All my information is below, so if you're brand new here, welcome to the channel. And first thing you're going to want to do is go to www.queenofthegirlgeeks.com, sign up for my e-coupons because you're not going to want to miss any of the good stuff coming for Christmas. I also have a link below the video. You can see like there's like a little space that YouTube gives us to write down all of our information. So I have a link to my e-coupons. I have a link to my e-store if you want to sign up for Avon. It's free right now, so lots of good stuff. So go ahead and do that. I'll wait for you. Hit the subscribe button too while you're at it. Okay, are we ready? Oh my gosh, you guys. Parisian holiday. I think it's really cool that Avon's doing like this iconic Parisian holiday. I've never been to Paris. I actually probably am more interested in going to England than Paris. I was always obsessed with the English rock stars when I was in the 80s, you know, the David Bowie, Queen, Duran Duran. I don't know. I was always obsessed with that. But Paris sounds like fun too. But if you can't go to Paris, or you have a girlfriend who's really into Paris, or a mother, cousin, best, you know, anyone, think Christmas gift. Because check it out, we have got this awesome perfume bottle. So this is the backed by popular demand. It is the Dreamlife Cologne in a limited edition spray bottle. It says, I can take my glasses off for this one, live your dream with this magical blend of mimosa flower, aspirational rose, glowing amber, comes in a Parisian-inspired gift box. Oh my goodness. Like I said, the gift box is just pretty in itself. Look at that, how pretty this is. Comes wrapped in plastic, so that's kind of neat. And then check out the bottle. I think this is glass. It feels too cold to be plastic. Feels like glass. So check it out. Look at how pretty this is. It is literally the Eiffel Tower in a clear glass bottle. It's pretty big too. I mean, this is not a small bottle. So you have a gold lid. Let me pop this off, and then I'm going to spray a little bit of this on. I wore this the other day. It smells really good. And it's funny because you know me, I'm not super into florals, but this one smells pretty good. It reminds me of something. I think I might have sold this before. It's backed by popular demand, so I probably did. It's called Dreamlife. Oh my gosh. It smells very dreamy. It really does. I wore it couple times this weekend. It does have a nice lasting power to it. It's not overpowering. It's like it kind of is like fluffy. That's what it kind of smells like. It's a little bit of floral. It's a little bit of exotic. It's a little bit of soft and dreamy. It just smells really, really good. There is a little bit of an undertone of a rose in there, but you know me, I don't like fresh cut roses, but this one I think is nice. And it smells fresh. So this is a perfume I think that you could wear for the holidays, and then I also think it would transition nicely into like the spring and summer months. So really pretty bottle, and it is only $32, which is a pretty good deal for something of this detail. So this would make, you know, if like you're doing a gift exchange and you have a $30 gift, and it's $2 over, but still, that would make a really, because our family does that. We do like a $30 gift exchange. This would be a really cool, unique gift. I mean, not many people are going to probably get Paris in a bottle. So that's why I like it. I think it's really cool. So it is not available yet unless you're a rep. You actually can sign up for Avon right now for free if you want, and then you can buy this as a rep. So that's another way of getting it. And then, but as a customer, this is going to be released a week from tomorrow online. Like I said, Campaign 24, which will have the entire Parisian collection. I'm going to go through all of this stuff. Lots of good stuff, including the Bubble Bath Cat, which I know a lot of you have been wanting. So I'll be reviewing that soon. But I wanted to do the reviews a week early so you'd have a chance to kind of preview all of this cool Parisian stuff And you know, I already did the slippers. Oh my gosh, I love my slippers. I want to get the pajamas too. Those are kind of pretty. I have to review this Christmas tree too. Oh my goodness, this thing is only it's $34.99. This Christmas tree is absolutely gorgeous. I actually got 2 of them, so I'm overly excited about this next catalog coming up. Lots of Christmas coming, and then like I said, don't forget to sign up for my e-coupons. And those actually come, they have my name on them, but they're from Avon. I don't send them, Avon sends them, and then they're loaded into your online store, and then when you click the offer button, they'll show up. So it's a really neat way to get some extra savings for the holidays. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will have more of the Parisian collection coming this week. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.